Ever felt stuck staring at your phone, unsure of where to find that perfect answer or how to tackle a complex task? You fire up Siri, but her responses feel limited. You Google it, but wading through search results takes forever. There has to be a better way, right? Well, buckle up, because the future of AI assistants might just be here, and it's nestled within the iPhone you already own. It's called Gemini, and whispers on the web suggest it's the next big thing. But is there any truth to this rumor? Can you really get Gemini on your iPhone? Let's dive deep and uncover the truth about Gemini on iPhone. We'll separate fact from fiction and explore what Gemini actually is, its potential, and, most importantly, if it's a reality for iPhone users today. First things first, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Siri, the long-standing AI assistant on iPhones, has paved the way for voice interaction and on-device assistance. But let's be honest, sometimes Siri feels a little basic. Sure, she can set alarms and answer simple questions, but when it comes to complex tasks or in-depth research, she often falls short. That's where the whispers of Gemini come in. Imagine an AI assistant that can not only understand your questions, but have a flowing conversation about them. An assistant that can access and process information in real time, synthesizing it into clear and concise answers. That's the potential Gemini holds. Reports suggest it's a large language model, a powerful AI capable of complex tasks like generating different creative text formats, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and answering your questions in an informative way. Sounds pretty impressive, right? But here's the catch, and it's a big one. As of today, June 11, 2024, there is no official confirmation of Gemini being available on iPhones, or any smartphones for that matter. It exists, that much is confirmed. Google AI has been developing large language models, and Gemini is likely one of them. However, its availability and functionality remain shrouded in mystery. There's no official announcement from Google, no app listing, and no integration with existing iPhone features. So, the truth is, you cannot get Gemini on your iPhone today. It might be a future integration, a standalone app released later, or perhaps something entirely different. But here's the good news. The very existence of Gemini and similar AI models signifies a significant leap in smartphone technology. Imagine a future where your phone seamlessly integrates with a powerful AI assistant, unlocking a world of possibilities. Researching complex topics, generating creative content on the fly, or even having in-depth conversations about anything that piques your curiosity, all at your fingertips. While Gemini on iPhone might not be a reality today, the future of AI assistants on smartphones is undeniably bright. Developers are constantly pushing boundaries, and who knows, maybe Gemini, or something even more amazing, will be gracing our iPhones sooner than we think. In the meantime, keep your eyes peeled for official announcements from Google. We'll be sure to keep you updated as soon as there's any concrete news about Gemini's availability. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of technology.